ARD is a collaborative research-based artistic project that takes a joint publication as the main activity and outcome of the collaboration. As research questions, ARD asks, what constitutes an academically rigorous definition of research of doing in relation to creative practice? What forms of tactile knowledge are particular to the contemporary arts, and how might they correlate with other forms of doing as knowledge? How can we successfully and rigorously communicate artistic research? Could we define or identify a creative process for academic research? The aims and processes of ARD will give concrete form to emergent aspects of art education that are immediately and deeply relevant to the key project partners who are all actively engaged in academic fields of art education.
The Division of Fine Art at the University of Pretoria is fundamentally guided by the principles of research and its relationship to creative practice. We view fine art not simply as an expression of inner and subjective feelings, but very much also that those feelings and ideas may be researched and put into practice by way of art making. We are delighted to be part of a research of doing, a collaborative research project with the University of Applied Arts in Vienna and the Center for the Less Good Idea. Through this collaboration, we hope to plot and map new ways of understanding fine arts research in contemporary global practice. These workshops and activities that will form part of the project through its completion will ultimately better help us understand how young artists are dealing with knowledge, but also how that knowledge is in itself an expression of our times. We very much look forward to seeing this project grow through new collaborations and new prospects that emerge from these activities.
ARD, a research of doing, originated organically through the network that the University of Applied Arts Vienna established with South Africa by way of the Octopus program. While the program functions as a support mechanism for emerging artists by taking geopolitical, social, ecological, and educational urgencies and diversities into consideration, there has been a necessity to further expand the academic feedback. Therefore, through the ARD project, Africa UniNet will provide a vital opportunity for more in-depth research and collaboration. In this respect, as one of the partners of the Octopus program, the Center for the Less Good Idea facilitates the merger of diverse viewpoints and practices of academic and non-academic entities and contemporary art institutions.
We're interested in the artist working and discovering themselves through the work, through the doing, through the embodied knowledge that sits within us. And it extends to a meditation on mining.
Considering creative doing as the heart of academic research is a timely venture that seeks new models to envision a sustainable collaboration with all various areas of knowledge that will be communicated to and acknowledged by all the participants of the project. It is important to conduct this research within the Africa UniNet framework